Are you looking for the best electric tea kettle? In this video we will looking some of the 6 best tea kettle review on the market in 2024. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. First of all, Farberware FCP 412. 12-cup electric percolator coffee pot, premium stainless steel, 2 coarse grind, too little coffee, or insufficiently tamping the grounds before brewing can all lead to inadequate pressure for a proper brew. 2. It is important to note that the amount of espresso extracted will vary depending on the grind size and amount, and reprogramming may be needed when the size and amount are adjusted. Robust aroma and flavor. Percolating is the fast and easy way to enjoy the full flavor of aroma of your favorite ground coffee. Cup a minute. The speedy percolator produces about 1 cup per minute of delicious coffee. Automatic keep warm. Once brewing is complete, the kettle automatically switches to its keep warm function. Volts 60 Hz. Detachable cord. Serving is simple thanks to the detachable cord that simplifies moving and pouring the kettle. Number 2. Farberware 2 to 8 cup stainless steel electric percolator, premium stainless steel exterior, premium percolator constructed with stainless steel for a durable appliance that looks great in your kitchen. Robust aroma and flavor. Percolating is the fast and easy way to enjoy the full flavor of aroma of your favorite ground coffee. Cup a minute. The speedy percolator produces about 1 cup per minute of delicious coffee. Automatic keep warm. Once brewing is complete, the kettle automatically switches to its keep warm function. Detachable cord. Serving is simple thanks to the detachable cord that simplifies moving and pouring the kettle. Stainless steel coffee basket. The durable basket is designed to extract maximum coffee flavor from your favorite grounds. Number 3. Chefman electric kettle. With temperature control, 5 presets, LED indicator lights, removable tea infuser, glass tea kettle, hot water boiler, 360 degrees swivel base, BPA free, stainless steel, 1.8 liters. Fast boiling. Chefman kettles boil water faster. Boil your water for as little as 3 minutes for tea, hot chocolate, pour over coffee, and other hot beverages. Auto shut off, yes. Variable heat settings. Custom temperature control includes 7 presets with boiling temps ranging from 160 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit for the perfect cup. Tri-color LED lights. Easily see when your glass teapot with infuser is in standby mode, white lights, heating mode, red lights, and in keep warm/steep mode, green lights. Steep loose leaf TEA. With the included removable tea infuser, you can steep a whole pot in our hot water kettle to serve multiple people efficiently. Cordless convenience. Our cord-free portable kettle for heating water allows you to serve guests in another room while leaving the base plugged in. Easy grip. The 360-degree swivel base water warmer holds the cordless electric kettle in your preferred position for easy gripping and mess-free pouring. Removable lid. The lift-out lid completely separates from the kettle to provide a larger space to fill with fresh water and to make cleaning easier. Number 4. Chef's Choice 681-0001 kettle. 1.7 liter, silver. Advanced. The design includes a concealed heating element that never comes in contact with the water, eliminating the risk of mineral deposits buildup on the heating element. Design handsomely crafted with an elegant brushed stainless steel kettle body and a cool to the touch, comfortable handle. The 681 is as pleasing to the eye as it is functional and convenient to use. Capacity. With a generous 1.75 quart water capacity, the kettle will heat ample amounts of water for hot beverages and effortless food preparation. Convenient. Serving hot water has never been more convenient with this cordless kettle that lifts from its corded base for easy filling, pouring, and serving. The 360-degree cordless swivel design is ideal for right-handed or left-handed use. Features. Monitoring and measuring the water level is easy with the kettle's exterior water gauge located adjacent to the cool touch handle. Illuminated light on off switch, auto shut off. The kettle will automatically shut off when water boils, and its boil dry protection feature will provide years of dependable use. Cord stores neatly in the base and adjusts to desired length. 110/120V, designed exclusively for use in North America. 1500 watts. Number 5. OXO Brew Classic Tea Kettle. Brushed stainless steel. Easy open, one-touch spout cap. Soft, angled handle for comfortable pouring. Handle rotates out of the way for pouring or storing. Loud whistle signals when water is ready. Large lid opening for convenient filling and cleaning. High-grade brushed stainless steel construction guards against rust. Heat-resistant silicone touch points on spout and handle, 1.7 QT capacity. Number 6. Kosori Electric Tea Kettle. Stainless steel inner lid filter, 1.7L/1500W, hot water kettle, wide, opening automatic shut-off, BPA-free, black. The purest water for your kettle is made with superior quality 304 stainless steel and borosilicate glass to keep your water safe and tasting pure for years to come. Completely safe, no need to watch your kettle while it's boiling. It automatically shuts off 30 seconds after it finishes boiling, and boil dry protection prevents the kettle from turning on when there is no water. Specifications: the kettle features a rated power of 1500 W and is made for use only in the US and Canada. Wider opening. Your electric kettle is designed with a wide open mouth for quick cleanup of any residue. Or lime scale using lemon juice or baking soda. And no more waiting. A great choice to replace your microwave, stove, or your old kettle. British Astaire X-Tech ensures you can enjoy quick boiling times ranging from 3 to 7 minutes, so you can enjoy your coffee, tea, or oatmeal in no time. Fully satisfies family needs. 7 US cups/1.7L large capacity with accurate cup liters lines. You can brew more in less time. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.